you a beginner looking to maintain your garden? Or perhaps you're an experienced gardener looking for some fresh ideas? Today, we'll unravel the art of gardening, sharing essential tips for beginners. Well, you're in the right place. We're about to delve into some essential tips for maintaining a beginner's garden. First things first, understand your garden. It's like knowing the character of a close friend. A garden's character lies in its soil type, sunlight exposure, and local climate. Each of these factors is a key player in your garden's story, impacting the health and vitality of your plants. Is your soil sandy or clayey? How much sunlight does your garden enjoy? What's the temperament of your local climate? By understanding these elements, you can choose the right plants for your garden and ensure their growth. Now, let's talk about choosing the right plants for your garden. It's crucial to select plants that match your garden's conditions and your skill level. Are you a beginner? Start with hardy, easy-to-grow plants. Think marigolds, sunflowers, or peas. These can flourish in various conditions, providing a delightful visual treat and a confidence boost for you. Also consider your garden's sunlight, soil type, and climate. The right plants, suited to these conditions, can thrive with minimal fuss. Remember, the right plants can make your gardening experience a breeze. And finally, the key to a flourishing garden is regular maintenance. Ensuring your plants are well hydrated, keeping those pesky weeds at bay, giving your plants a trim when they need it, and providing them with the right nutrients will all contribute to a healthy, vibrant garden. It's important to establish a routine for these tasks, as consistency is a plant's best friend. With regular maintenance, your garden will not only survive, but thrive. So there you have it. We've covered the basics to give your beginner's garden a head start. Now, it's your turn to apply these tips and watch your garden thrive. Don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful. And for more gardening advice, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Happy gardening!